Guys, welcome to today's lecture. Okay, so for this video I'll be showing you on how to know the trend of the market. Okay, so for people who came to my DM, asking me how do I, or things I look for before taking a trade, and I always tell them that it's always good to know the trend of the market before taking any trade. Okay, and they always ask me why, or sorry, how. Okay, and so this video is for them. Okay, so before we start, if you want to join us, the link is in the description, so you can join us. Hopefully you gain something new. Okay, so you can see this is just a trade I'm into. I gave the signal in the VIP group, and glad it's going well. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first tool you can use to know the trend or the direction of the market is moving average. You can use moving averages to know the direction of the market. Okay, so if you're using moving average, you can use other tools, okay, to know the direction of the market. So okay, let me just show you the basis. So this is currently 50 exponential moving average, as you can see here, 50 exponential moving average. And so this is quite easy. Okay, so it simply says when market is below the moving average, is signifying that okay, market is going a little in a downward direction, and when price is above, it's going a little in an upward direction. And when price is okay in um when the indicator, the moving average, is in between price, it shows that it's in an consolidation phase. Okay, so as you can see clearly here, okay, so you can see price is, you can see here, when the price is below the indicator, you can see that it tends to show that it's in a downward phase. Okay, when price, you can see all this while market has just been ranging through the price. Okay, and sorry, the indicator mirroring through the price, and it's kind to showing that it's in a consolidation phase. And I said you cannot use moving average alone, so you can now maybe try to plot your trend line to show that okay, it's currently in a consolidation phase. Okay, you can see by that form. And let me try. Okay, for an uptrend, okay, you can see here that market was in a downtrend before crossing this moving average, showing that it's currently in an uptrend. Okay, so this is just to guide you, okay, on trades, okay, or if you're in a trade, or when to exit. For those taking long term, you can, if you are noticing that okay, price is trying to consolidation phase. So sorry, I was talking about people that want to take trades, or when to close trade. If you are to enter maybe a buy now, and you are seeing market is going, you keep shifting your stop loss, increasing your stop loss. Then if you are trying to see that market is trying to break this moving average, then you can now exit your trade. Okay, so keep increasing your stop loss until try to see that market is trying to break the moving average. Okay, now another tool you can use, okay, is also line chart. Okay, as you can see, most traders are usually on candlestick. Okay, most traders are usually on candlestick. So if you switch to line charts, okay, you try to ensure that okay, market is trying to, okay, you can see that, you can just see clear illustration of lines going up. So you try to show that okay, market is in an uptrend. Okay, like this example here. Okay, so now there are some conditions for line chart. Okay, when you want to know the direction of the market for line chart, never ever use line chart alone. Use it with other tools. Okay, any other tools I will be mentioning in the video, at least to make it confirm, because I just want to show you guys the basics on it. Okay, so if you see just see the natural ranging in a phase, it shows that it's in an consolidation phase. Okay, so you can see that this is just a clear illustration of that trend, and this line chart is not mainly efficient, okay, alone. So try to use it with other phase. Okay, you can just clearly bring your trend line through that. Okay, this is surely an uptrend, and you can see that it is. So this line chart is exceptional. Okay, it's not really that efficient, but people also, people trade differently, so people use it. So if you are getting used to it, okay, you can surely just know the direction of the trend using it. Okay, but as a starter, or if you are still someone new, I would advise you don't jump to this right now. Okay, and some for those asking me, some people ask me if is which chart is better, either candlestick line or bar. Okay, it says that it's different. It's depend on the trader's mentality. Okay, so for price action traders, you can also use this line chart, because for those taking price action, you need to consider candlesticks and other formation, and you just need to switch to this, okay, to know best. Okay, and this bar chart, I don't have anything, I'm not really good in it. Okay, so I just have to say that because I'm not used to bar chart. I've never used it in this trading, so I don't have anything to say for those asking. But for price action traders, or different type of trader, it's best you stick to candlestick. Okay, okay, guys. So the last um, indicator I also use to know the direction of the chart is also use of channels, okay, and trend lines. Okay, this is one of the actually best, or one of the accurate way to know the direction or trend of the market, because as you can see, okay, I have some trend line on my chart, and with this, okay, you can actually see that you actually know the direction, okay, of the market using trend line, okay, or channels. So as you can see, trend line or channels, they are not actually used, okay, they are used to know the um direction of the market sometimes, okay, but they are just mainly used to catch up some moves. Okay, so let me make an illustration. So you can see that, let's say market is moving. Okay, let's say you've used other tools and you say that, okay, market is in an uptrend and you want to take the trade. Okay, maybe you are in the middle of the market for the day and you don't know when to enter. Okay, so that's when you think of using channels or trend line, because you can actually plot trend line, okay, or channel. So thinking, okay, it's clearly an uptrend, so I should be looking for a buy. Okay, and I see some scalpers also use this. Okay, so for those scalpers, you can also jump into this, but for this is just to catch the move of the market. Okay, if you've analyzed from maybe daily or higher time frame and you want to enter your trade, okay, or you are late, you were not able to catch up the early move of the market, so you can now bring this into place. Maybe if this, let's say this are your trend line you've plotted, and you can see market is moving, is in the uptrend, and you see market reverses to this trend line, you can now enter your trade from here, putting stop loss a little bit below. Then you can now continue catching up the upward move, and if you are lucky, if price can break it, then you keep adjusting your stop loss, till you are satisfied with the trade. Okay, so if I to see here, we've seen that market, and yeah, I can also use trend line consolidation phase. Okay, so for this type of, you cannot just say this is an uptrend or consolidation. It's actually both, but it's mainly of an consolidation, because, okay, let me show you here. You can see market has just been consolidating through this channel. Okay, and this is when you can now bring trend line or channel into place. Okay, so if you are to enter there, can enter, maybe you miss this move, you see market coming down here. Okay, can catch up this move as you can, and the mistake people make is that anything they see up, maybe they watch a video, they'll be thinking everything is absolutely right. No, nobody's perfect. Okay, people to lose no matter who you are. We also lose, but as far as your wins are okay more than losses or they are massive, then okay, you can now see that you are satisfied. Okay, so if you are to see here, market came here, we should be expecting a buy, but it didn't buy, rather it broke out. Okay, this is another form. Okay, this is another, they call this breakout. Okay, you can see the trend line is not actually accurate. It's supposed to be touching, you can see it broke out, then retest before taking, for coming out. Okay, so this is another lesson learned, is you cannot, market cannot just consolidate in a channel forever. Okay, you surely have to find a breakout. So for people taking scalping, okay, they should also know that something cannot consolidate forever. Okay, so these are things that actually use to know the trend, okay, of the market. So if you have more questions, you can DM me. All my links to join our group, everything is in the description, so you can click there and join if you have any question, and help to beneficial to you guys. Thank you guys.